Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Like, you know,
and see you next time in Italy.
landscape. Yeah, of course.
I am with Chris. We are going to enjoy the cycling tour. I'll show you the route. Now we are here. The first idea was to go to the south on the coast to Castiglioncello, but because today is a Sunday, it will be very busy. We will go around this place. From here we start to climb to the Santuario, to the church on the top. Then we go down faster on is a very stunning road, and from here we go in the secondary roads inside, and we go to Benedetta Valley. Is another place. Is the landscape is very similar to the French coast.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Inside.
Okay.
It's very beautiful. Okay, let's go.
Cool. That's good. I'm excited. We'll see. Cool.
Yeah, just because when we will be around here, I will say you stop, because we have to cross the road, and then just 50 meters the road go up. Is very steep.
Steep. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we take our time.
Follow me.
Cool.
Yeah, the sea is completely different than the other side.
Yeah, it's really clear. The other side is gray. I don't know.
Next stop is Calafuria. Is just 500 meters. Calafuria Tower, and this is famous because during the 1960, one black and white film finished in this point, because the car go down in the water.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
From here you can see. Don't worry about the bags. From here the people go inside, and you know you have the diving, because the sea is very
rocky.
Yeah,
lots of corals.
It's rocky, but the underwater is very stunning, very beautiful.
I guess because they're stopping here with school bus, and you know there's a reason for that. Like,
now we climb, and we don't stop. We go.
nice warm up for the day. I use the 35 mil because in Hamburg it rains a lot or fog, so it's really quite slippery.
Tazio Nuvolari was a great driver from Italy and won several races.
Okay. And he lives here?
No, and this road was a part of a circuit of Montenero, and this hairpin was dedicated to the driver that won 2 Nuvolari Sea of the Wind, because it was very fast driver.
Okay.
Yeah. And
I
we come
the look of the car. That time.
with
the big glasses.
With
the helmet.
Okay, we climbed from the sea. We go up.
Okay.
When we go up, we have one part where the road go down very fast. It's about 4 kilometers.
Okay.
Road go down, we go fast. I don't know, 50 kilometers an hour. About. Then we have one hairpin, and after we needed to cross the road
again. Okay.
When I see you go slow, we go a little bit slow, and then we go to Montenero.
Okay.
Yeah. Ciao. It's full of cyclists. Okay. We have a snack, and then let's go. Livorno, from where we started
last one. Huh?
Yeah, after this hairpin, okay, go slow. Now we turn on the left. This is the road to the church, the Santuario. Over the town you have the green now, and is where you have the resort. Over you have the resort, your resort.
Okay, yeah, where the green ones.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Yeah. This is the Basilica di Montenero, and in this point you have the panoramic view from where I won't show you. Just one. Yeah. You want coffee? You? Yeah. Okay. In this point, okay, we started from here.
At this area. Okay.
Yeah, in this area, and you climbed the sea front and back. Now if we go down, we can go to the Benedetta Valley. Let's go to the valley. The name of this valley is Benedetta. Oh, you mean andiamo in Germany?
Los Gates.
Los Gates. Andiamo. The landscape change. This is like we was on the sea and then climbed the hill with the pino trees, and now the landscape is like the Chianti.
Yeah.
This is the gate to the farmhouse. Yeah. A photo. It's a private, but we can do picture from here and another from the road, and you see the wall.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm thinking maybe, you know, like just here.
I don't want. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's take a picture.
Yes. Yes.
You know? Like this.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. This road is very quiet during the week. On Sunday the people go to enjoy the picnic. Okay, I suggest another picture from the where you have 70 speed limit.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Mamma mia. Okay, now we go to the left. The landscape change again.
Yeah.
Because it's rocky. This is similar to the French coast, because you have the rocks, little bit forest, but you have also the Mediterranean trees.
Okay. Yeah, I noticed it.
want to stop?
Like,
It's like a Siena region of the
yeah.
other side of Tuscany. Like Volterra, no? Okay, if you're okay, we can go back. Usually we can ride to this direction and close the loop, but the asphalt is not.
Yeah,
it's
okay,
not
then
here.
we do.
Yeah.
Different.
Okay, I want to put the GoPro in the helmet. Here come Mediterranean Filipino and
We have the normal trees combined together.
Go to the sea where we started.
Okay.
We can go to the cycling lane inside. On the left direction is we have one chalet is more faster than this one. Here the people come to the beach, the Lido is the old beaches style.
Of,
Old style, yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Here the water is in the middle between the creek park.
That's what I like it. We managed to preserve the culture, you know, the laid back mentality.
Yeah. Non ti inquadro, non ti inquadro. La nostra missione. Ah!
Allora, qua c'è Alessandro che lo vedo ora. Ciao. Fino al veso come fatto?
Grazie. We have a coffee for you too. Okay. With the milk or without?
With milk.
Should I bring it for you?
How much?
Due caffè d'altro, devo dire.
Due caffè.
Now we enjoy a coffee, just coffee break.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Like, you know,
Okay, and see you next time in Italy.
landscape. Yeah, of course.
Some work all around Italy.
Yeah, of course.
Let's go
Business
to
and
enjoy.
pleasure, as always.
It was a pleasure for me. Let's go to enjoy the coffee together.